Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open a random program inside Emacs from the command line. That means if you are sitting on a terminal and if you want a specific program to be run inside the Emacs environment, you could do so easily. Okay, so this is a short video just to show you what you need to type at the command prompt to get it open inside Emacs. Okay, so without further ado, let me spawn up a terminal and move it to a specific workspace and enhance it. First, let me zoom it so people can see it. I believe I have zoomed it up. Now people can see it. So again, reiterating, this is the demonstration of how you could open any random application inside Emacs environment, provided that application has an interface on Emacs. Okay, so we are used to so many application which is running to inside Emacs, right? I am very used to, okay, to say for instance I do not have I'm running Emacs as a daemon mode, so it is running behind the scene, so I can spawn up the client at my will and it becomes very fast. So basically the idea is to spawn up a Emacs client with a specific application. Okay, so let me give you a demonstration what I meant to say. So as I said, I'm running Emacs in daemon mode. So Emacsclient, okay, and then we pass the T because I want to open it in a either you pass -T or -NW, that is no window. That means this is supposed to open in a Emacs TTY mode, okay, in terminal mode. It could be easily done with the GUI mode, okay, with -C. Okay, so the next is -E. Then all you have to do, put a quotation and you have to write program. Okay, this is an ellipse function to call up programs. Say if I wanted to see not much. Okay, so I'm just taking a rudimentary example just to show you how it could be done. So if I press enter, see, I'm inside Emacs running on TTY and it's open up not much for me. As simple as that, isn't it good? Okay, let me change the color. So okay, so it's open up, right? So let me give you another demonstration. Emacs client -T -E, if I can type. So program, and if I write mu4e, okay, now if I press enter, it will go and open up the mu4e inside Emacs. Okay, so one more final thing, sorry. So one final demonstration. Emacs client -T -E. You can easily open this application in Emacs GUI mode with -C option. Instead of giving -T, you could pass -C to open it on a GUI mode. Okay, so I'm doing it because it might come up faster on TTY mode. So the last thing I want to show you, to open lfit. I hope it will come up. If it is not, I don't know. So somehow, okay, somehow it is not coming, but you get the idea, right? So you can get this any program which is supposed to run under Emacs environment, and if your client is, if you are running Emacs in a daemon mode, so you can use Emacsclient to open any program which has got an interface inside Emacs. Okay, so as you show, I don't know why else it is not come, but it's supposed to come. There must be something wrong with my setup, that's why it didn't come, but it used to come anyway. It will come, but the point is that you don't have to be inside Emacs all the time. You could easily invoke it by calling a certain program name which has a interface inside Emacs. Okay, you can abbreviate those stuff or alias those stuff according to your convenient, and call up the alias, it will open up. So you don't have to always open up a Emacs instance running as the client, because the hard part is that Emacs daemon is already running. Okay, so likewise, if I wanted to see something, I just made an alias to Emacsclient in a terminal mode, and if I write kernel, one rudimentary file there in my home directory, if I press enter, so it opens up that file in Emacs. Okay, I do not have to open up the Emacsclient previously. Okay, so I can instantly run Emacsclient with anything I want to edit a file, I want to create a file, I want to open a specified program as I shown to you. So this is pretty darn simple. If you want to embrace Emacs everywhere or use Emacs everywhere, generally people do, they are I do a lot of stuff with Emacs. Okay, like so it's not a big deal for me. I'm showing this that it might come handy to you. You might create an alias, you might create a function, you might do other stuff that you could easily spawn up the Emacsclient at will. This is the basic purpose of this video, to spawn up the Emacsclient at will when I needed it. Okay, I do not have to keep it open all the time. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.